This is my #1 daughter making Christmas Eve dinner because her mother and I are too much of a dope to take the ham out in time so that we could thaw it out for Hawaiian ham. Thankfully, Arielle is an awesome cook.
Hey, are you coming over for supper? Alright, I'll see you when you get here. What? Yeah, I'll put it right there.
Look at her go.
Huh? Even where? Alright, I'll see you when you get here. Love you. Bye.
So, what is it you said you were making for dinner?
Beef bourguignon.
I can't even pronounce that.
Fancy way to say beef stew.
There you go. This is Arielle's cooking show.
I always wanted a cooking show.
There we go. All right. She can really chop stuff. Wow.
Hey, howdy.
That is my #1, my last daughter, #3 daughter, Taylor.
Taylor, you might even go to Santa Claus isn't going to come this year.
Who's that? Oh yeah, I just went there. Yeah.
Taylor is into skateboarding, snowboarding,
Basketball.
Go that away.
sketch foo, and beginning to get into boys. Uh-oh, she missed. It doesn't bode well for the basketball team.
What the heck? Yeah, good shot.
This is where she was trying to throw it.
Throw in the trash for cash.
Stop it!
Hey, never put your hands in front of the camera. Wow.
That you're obsessed with that thing. You're like the annoying boyfriend in Paranormal Activity.
I never saw that.
Never. Yeah, you have.
No, I didn't.
Oh, well, then we should change to that. We should make you watch it. Now you're showing him the spices. Oh my god, Dad, she's gonna kill you.
I need a pen.
This is Shell.
What?
Smile for the camera, hon. I love you. This is
you like
Michelle's dad, Denny.
Please?
Hey, there we go.
Ink pen. Ink pen.
And this is Andrew.
My annoying big brother.
Much better than earlier
Daddy, you
today.
still have a beer?